Okay, good afternoon. Let's start. Welcome to today's webinar, Predictive Maintenance in Practice. How to successfully deliver projects with advanced data analytics. My name is Krzysztof Banaś, and at Statsoft I work with solutions dedicated to manufacturing companies. I'm very pleased that you have found time to join us today. I'm confident that this session will be both interesting and inspiring. The main reason is that we will discuss a successful predictive maintenance project that leveraged advanced data analytics, examining it from several different perspectives, including, I think the most important, the business perspective of the end user. Before we begin, I would like to welcome and introduce our speakers. Piotr Zachariasiewicz, CEO of Poltechnik. Uwe Knedel, Technical Supervisor from RAS Reinhardt Maschinenbau. Przemysław Rożek and Dariusz Maj from Stigo Company. And Grzegorz Migut, Technical Director in Statsoft. We expect today's webinar to last approximately 1 hour. First, Piotr Zachariasiewicz will present the business perspective of the project. Next, Grzegorz Migut will discuss the methodology and data analytics aspects of predictive maintenance projects. After that, Przemysław Rożek and Dariusz Maj will talk about data acquisition, data gathering, and demonstrate the system in a live presentation. We will then return to Piotr, who will share a summary of the project from the user's perspective. Finally, we will answer your questions. Before we begin, I would like to make 2 brief housekeeping announcements. If you have any questions during the webinar, please submit them via chat. We will do our best to answer them during the question and answers sessions in the end of the webinar. And if we are unable to address all questions during the webinar, we will follow up afterwards. We also plan to make a recording of today's webinar. It shall be available next week. So let's get started. Piotr, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Share my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible right now.
Yes, it's perfect.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Piotr Zachariasiewicz, CEO of Poltechnik, and since 1990, we basically have been supplying metalworking machinery and technology in Poland. And since 2017, we also have been involved and actually delivering automation of the production stations and production lines. The company now has over 2,000 clients overall Poland and has delivered more than 3,000 machines the last 35 years. Our core business is to handle the distribution, installation, and servicing of products from renowned manufacturer in Europe, from Austria, Germany, and Switzerland, Japan, and US, with whom we collaborate on an exclusive agency basis since many, many years. We maintain our own spare parts warehouse also in the north of Poland and manage the transportation and internal logistics of the delivered equipment. Our partner, RAS Reinhardt Maschinenbau, is one of the world's leading manufacturers of innovative sheet metal processing machines. With over 235 employees in Sindelfingen in south of Germany, the company has been offering the highest quality, precision, and innovative strengths made in Germany for over 85 years now. The portfolio includes folding machines, forming machines, to many others, and customized production solutions. And actually, these machines are used in the metal construction, aerospace, automotive business, and architecture. With a focus on reliability and technological innovation, RISE remains the ideal partner for companies that expect maximum efficiency and precision. And 2 years ago, we decided to launch a predictive maintenance project for the bending centers manufactured by RAS. The primary goal of this project was to increase the overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, KPI, by maintaining continuous operation and minimizing maintenance and production downtime. The multi-bend center itself enables fully automatic and precise sheet metal bending. The system ensures high repeatability and stable process performance. The machine bends the metal upward and downward at the same time. It does not require rotating the material during operation and features automatic tool exchange, meaning that it's fully automated production cell. The bending beam moves along with the material being bent. That's why, as a result, the sheet surface remains free of scratches and distortion. And then, what is a Smart Predict software? The AI predictive system for use, mainly used for early anomaly detection and failure risk forecasting in the multi-bend center machines. So it analyzed the data from the sensor we have mounted in the machine and artificial intelligence-based mathematic and statistical models. The main business purpose and benefits for the clients using the predictive system were basically set up as follows. So first of all, we basically thought about more time to react. So forecast alarm before critical failure or error of the machine occurs. That's one of the obvious one. Of course, less downtime, meaning that production is more smooth and efficient. So stable machine operation and better utilization efficiency factors. Clear information on the user interface with dashboard and visualization, showing all irregularities in a real time. The system is tailored to needs, so it's selectable data refresh frequency. You can choose between 15, 5, 15, 30, or 60 minutes. The system is also scalable, meaning that it's open to expansion with additional machines. And then, of course, system provides a comparison of the predicted and actual data. So that were the main business reasons why we basically decided to launch this project and this software in the market. Regarding the sensors itself, we carefully selected with RAS team key components of the machine, which should be measured in order to give the very precise data, allowing us to analyze the behavior and actually the working cycle of the machine. We decided to install the sensors in the upper beam drive rod sensor. We decided we measure also an oil level and temperature sensor. And we also upper beam motor and gearbox sensor and folding beam and manipulator who allows to actually maneuver the material and rotate the material over the machine automatically. Actually, availability of the machine in the software can be presented either online or offline. The detailed chart view provides access to advanced information from the sensor, and in the end is presenting the forecast up to 12 hours ahead and comparing this data with actual with accuracy of no less than 90%.